Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox this special toy car. So let's check on it. This is our product. This is a Diecast Tata Nano car. It's a dynamo electric nano. Let's open the box. Wow, we see a beautiful car inside. This car has crash detection function, automatic openable front doors and rear doors, automatic front seat slide down, and amazing music with flashing lights. So this is our product. Let's explore this product with a test drive. We have MS Dhoni for test drive of our Nano. So let's start the ride. Let's start the ride. Five-speed manual gear car. It has a very good ground clearance. The seat lies. The driver can take rest. So if you like the video, please click on the like button. Share my videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please use the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the notification bell to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.